recording live from my hotel room. I gotta speak up, but I gotta kind of be a little quiet. Child is sleeping. This is the first time I'm gonna do one of this. What's in my tech bag? I don't necessarily consider it a tech bag because I ain't a tech guy, but whatever. This is the Herschel. I don't know the name of it, but yo, this book bag is super comfortable. Had it for about a year. Look at that. It got padded, jump off. You feel me? And I'm not a great reviewer, so it's gonna be a lot of ghetto talking here. You feel me? First up, we got this little pouch right here in the front. Perfect for storing things like, it comes out, passports, mine, the child's, and the wife's. Cool. Also, a must need for travel, AirPods. Beautiful. I just got these things. I absolutely love them. Very convenient, so comfortable. I forget they're in my ear. You feel me? Next up, we got these two straps right here. They're both magnetic, which is awesome. Flip it up and you can see that beautiful trademark Herschel striped thing. Oh, also, if you have like your music in here, I don't know why your music will be coming from this bag, but it has a thing right here, like if you can see that, coming for your headphone wire. For whatever reason, I don't know why it will be in there. It has this little pulley strap. Open it up. First thing is my beautiful Nintendo Switch. It's in this nice protective case. Got it from GameStop. Did I get it from GameStop? I think I did. Whatever. It's cool. Oh snap. Dropping stuff. Anyway, got some headphones, microfiber cloth in there. Cool. I got my games. Most of them are digital, so whatever. Favorite game right here. Zelda Breath of the Wild, Octopath, Crash Bandicoot, and then the Sonic Mania Plus. And then here's the bed Mama Jamma with the Splatoon pink and green. Very nice. My baby. Also, we have an iPad in here. This is the iPad Mini 4, right? This case goes back probably like 3 years. I'm telling you, this is gonna be a ghetto what's in my bag jump off, right? Oh, don't show that. But you know, this is the baby's. It has applesauce and stuff all over it. But it's nice. It works. Look at this case. I tell you, it's like 3 years old. What else we got in here? You traveling, you gotta have a battery pack. Battery pack? Battery bank. A rechargeable battery. You know what I mean. You know what this is. This is from Powerade. It ain't the beautiful Anchor one that everybody uses. Although I wanted the Nintendo Switch Anchor one. That shit was sold out on Amazon. Whatever. This is a 20,000 milliamp. So you could probably charge your Switch probably like 3 to 4 times with your phone on there. Maybe even that iPad. And iPad. And we'll still be good. So this is great. Has a nice little LED light up there. If for some reason, oh God, it's dark in this area, turn it on and boom, oh shoot, there's a flashlight on this. I don't think I will ever use that, but it's nice to have, and you never know. Moving on, got my standard wires. This is a charger for my phone, charger for the AirPods. What's this? Charger for my watch, just full of chargers in here. Also, there's another charger for the battery bank. Cool. Is it a battery bank? Rechargeable battery. We're calling it a battery bank. See me in the comments below. What is this? This is a charger for my Switch. Yo, it's just chargers on chargers on chargers. Also, you traveling, you recording videos, or I'm vlogging, I'm going all over the place doing this and this and that. You gotta have an external hard drive. This is 1 terabyte from, I think it's Passport, My Passport, whatever. Who the hell makes this? But this is 1 terabyte. I think we got it for like $60, right? $60, I think it was? Something like that. She doesn't know. I think it was like $60. 1 terabyte. It's not even halfway full yet. I love this thing. Always gotta travel with that, right? Cool. And this is just a microfiber cloth carrying thing for the moment wide lens that you're watching this on right now. Here's another charger for my bad boy baby right in here. This is, oh, it also has a whatever, you'll see it in a second. This is the 2015, I think, 2015 MacBook Pro 15-inch. I was torn between getting the 16 and this one, just because this one has all the ports. HDMI, it has your, your SD drive, all that good stuff. Is it called an SD drive? I think that's what it is. No, it's not. You know what it is. I don't gotta tell you, a headphone jack, we don't see those anymore, and a MagSafe charging port. That's awesome, awesome. We got this, yeah, that one, and we got that one. This is the 15-inch one. I love this thing. It gets the job done. You feel me? It gets the job done, right? And this is the bag. Very nice. It's spacious in there. There's not too many pockets, but there's this big one right here. Right, this is for the laptop. Laptop goes right in there. It has one. I don't know if I threw anything in there. Another microfiber cloth. You always gotta keep your babies nice and clean. What else? Oh, that's a ticket. You don't want to see that. And I think that's about it. But anyway, this is what's in my, it's not a tech bag. I mean, there's a lot of tech in here. 1, 2, that's tech, I guess. This is technology. All this is charging. So technology is somewhere in here. So we're gonna say what's in my tech bag. That's how we're gonna do it. But I think that about wraps it up for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm on vacation right now. We're actually in Orlando. Vlogs and videos are gonna be coming out. So whoever's been waiting, here they come. Well, I don't know if it's gonna be one day after the other or when they're going up, but they're going up. Leave a thumbs up. It's been a minute since I said that. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed Tech Bag. You feel me? And until the next video, gameplay. I don't know when gameplay is coming, but peace.